In this video, we will see how will teacher create any online exam for the student for a particular class. For that, we will go in the examination process. Then you have to go to the online exam. Click on the online exam. Now select the academic year. Select the class for which you want to organize the online examination and select the division. If division is not selected, then this exam will be created for all division. So you can see the add button here. We have to click on this add button. Now we will give the examination name. Let's take name as online examination class 1. Now you will see that there is a drop down given for selection of subject. You can select multiple subject here. Now we will take few of them: mathematics, computer, English, and we will click on the submit button. So now you can see the one record is added for online examination. Now you have to click on this row, online examination class 1. When you click on this, you will get exam information. You can see for English, for mathematics and computer, all the details are shown here. Now for each subject, we have to add the examination details. Now you can see the edit button is given here. You have to click on that edit button. Now after clicking on edit button, you will get the exam timetable information. Here you have to mention the passing marks of this online examination. Let's take as 2. Then total marks of the examination, let's take as 10. You have to select the exam date on which you want to schedule this online examination. We will take as today's date, 24 July. Now you have to mention the reporting time for the students to be prepared for these examinations. Let's take is at 9:50 am. The exam time will be take as 10 am, and you have to mention the exam duration in minutes. Either it is in half an, if it is the exam is for an half an hour, you can mention 30 minutes, and then you have to click on the submit button. Now after giving this information, you can see two more options get automatically added in for this English subject. One is question paper and one is result. Now we have assigned the time, marks, and the exam duration for this examination of English subjects. Now we will create the question paper for this online examination. For that, we will click on that question paper button. You will see there is a drop down given for mode of examination. Now different questions are added in our question bank, so we have given two options. Teacher can either select manually the questions, or if we use random question selection, then system randomly takes the question from the question banks. We will see the manual question selection method. We will select the manual question selection. Now you have to give the total number of questions. We will give as 5. So 5 questions will be there in for this online examination. You can mention negative marks if you want to give that. Now for manual question selection, we will click on search. Now these 5 questions are there in our question bank for the English subject. Now we will select manually the questions. As total number of questions are 5, we will select all the questions, and then we will click on the create paper. So you can see these questions are added in our for this online examination, and for each questions marks are automatically assigned as 2, because we have given the total number of question as 5 and the examination of total marks 10. So it is equally divided. So now this examination is online examination is created for the subject English. Now we will go to the mathematics subjects. Again, you can see only edit button is there initially. So after clicking on edit button, you will give the passing marks, the exam total marks, which will be given as per school convenience. The reporting time, we will give it as 10:45 am. The exam time, 11 am. And the exam duration, 30 minutes. And then we will click on the submit button. Now you can see again that question paper and result options are get displayed. Now we will assign the question paper for the mathematics subjects. To do that, we will click on question paper. We will select now random question selection method. We have to select the total number of questions, 5. When random question selection is there, we don't want need to search the questions. We can directly click on the create paper. So system will automatically take any of 5 questions from the question bank which is added in our software. And you can see as total number of questions are 5 and marks total marks are 10, each question has assigned 2 marks. So like this we have also added the question paper for mathematics. Now for computer, we will again click on edit button. We will give this information of the passing marks and the total marks. We will assign the exam date for this online examination. We will take the reporting time, enter the reporting time, the actual exam time, and the exam duration. And then we will click on the submit button. Now again for computer, we will click on this question paper. We will take now manual question selection. Total number of questions we will take as 5. Then we will click on search button. You can see the number of questions which are added in question bank for the computer. Currently only 5 questions are added for demonstration purpose, so only 5 questions get displayed. So we will select 5 questions, or let's take total number of questions as only 2. So we have to select only 2 questions, and then we will click on create paper. Now you can see as only 2 questions are selected and total marks are 10. So each question carries 5 marks. Like this exam question paper is created for this computer subject also. You can see the 2 questions are added for this computer. Like this we will create the online examination. We will select the class and the subjects, and will assign the timing date for each subject, and then we will create the question paper using 2 methods. One is manual selection and one is randomly method, which I have shown in this video. In this way the teacher or administrator as an administrator will create the online examination for the student. Thank you.